Good morning. It is the biggest nightmare of every IT department. People bringing in their own computers, tablets, handheld devices, and wanting to use them at work. Well, now you can, because CDW makes it all possible.
Our special guest today is a brainiac himself. His name is Jason Brown in the house. Welcome to the Weekend Web, man.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for being here, Jason.
Thank you very much.
Everyone wants to use their favorite device,
Yes.
their MacBook, their favorite tablet. But when it comes to the IT department, they want to keep it plain, simple, and secure. How do you make sure that all happens?
Well, one of the things that's actually starting to happen today is there's a piece of software that has been released known as MDM, or Mobile Device Management. Now, what this tool actually does is that it gives the IT department the ability to not only to control that same device, but it also
These devices.
Exactly.
Any of these devices.
Any one of these devices. And it also gives you the ability to have them reach out to it, push software to it, but at the same time have the personality of the end user, keeping their personal data on it, and also keeping all the corporate data on it secure.
Macs and PCs?
Continue operating it.
And
Absolutely.
smartphones?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And how does this work on the IT department's end? Do they put some software on my machine that allows it to be seen on the network and managed on the network?
Well, there's actually the piece of software. We actually have two of our partners here today with Mobile Iron, and then we also have AirWatch here with us.
AirWatch.
And this is actually two of our bigger partners that are with us.
Mm-hmm.
And the operation of these are actually, you can have it locally installed in your own house, or as these two have, they have a option of it can be out in the cloud and let the companies run it. And all we have to do is, with a little instruction, the end users reinstall everything by themselves, and everything is automatic.
Wow. This is what it looks like at the IT department. This is what they're seeing. Should I put my machine on the network? This is how you manage it from
exactly. So this is exactly what any of the corporate people see, your admins will see, and you even have the option to let your management control this. They have maybe just a little bit of experience, but it's absolutely end user friendly. And the nice thing about this is even the end users themselves can come in here, look at their own devices, and see what the status of it is.
Oh.
So if I lose my machine, if my machine gets stolen, you have the ability to wipe corporate data or my data too?
Actually, we have both.
That's very important.
With this really nice option, we can see here, we actually have the choice of an enterprise wipe, which was just removing just the corporate data that I put on there, preserving all of your pictures, all of your data, your family, everything still on the device. Or if it's completely lost, we have the ability of doing what's called a device wipe, and that will completely wipe the device back to factory default.
Where can people go to learn more about this stuff?
We have a website set up at cdw.com/NBC5.
Nice job, nice job.
Jason, thank you for
Smart
being
guy.
here. Smart guy, and a great idea, because people want to use their own stuff, but companies want to keep it secure. This is one way to do that. I'm Charlie Wojciechowski.
I'm Art Norman. We'll see you right here next weekend.